So welcome back to another one of my videos, and in this video I'm doing a slime collaboration with Leela Crowther, and this is her package I've sent, and our theme is Summer Beach Slimes. So we decided we'd do a nice summer theme given that it's so lovely and hot at the moment in the UK. So I'll put the link to the slimes that I include in her package below, so go check out her video on our slime collaboration. So her package has arrived today and I'm really excited about this one. She did tell me her ideas, we both collaborated on this, so we had a good idea of what to expect but planned it according to our theme. So I'm just going to open this up and let's find out what's inside. Okay, we've got this really cool looking note with nice edges, and oh wow, look, a lovely beach and a palm tree. So she tells me what's in it. It's really nicely done, thank you. And she also includes this little leaflet of information including her logo and how to look after your slimes and mix your borax. So thank you for that. So in this lovely box we have Brighton Stick of Rock in 2 colours, an summer ice cream slime, and a By the Sea clear based glue slime. That looks really nice. Some really cute sweets and borax and a little squishy. Oh, and here's a shell. So first up we have the summer ice cream slime, which has little coloured heart sprinkles in it. So this looks pretty good. Doesn't have a scent. Feels a little bit on the stiff side, so it's quite easy to overactivate slimes in hot weather because they melt so easily. Oh wow, look at those little hearts. They're so cute in really cute pastel colours. So that's a really pretty slime. And it's stretchy. Yeah, it's not sticky, slightly stiff, but I can put some hand lotion in that and it'll be fine. So yeah, it's a really nice little slime. So just look at this lovely stretch with those cute little sprinkles in it. So well done, Leela, thank you so much. It's a really nice slime. Lots of lovely crackle to it as well. So next up we have this Brighton Stick of Rock slime that comes in 2 colours. This really pretty sort of pastel-y turquoise colour. And it looks really glossy. And this one is, again, it's a bit on the stiff side, a bit slightly rubbery, so it doesn't matter because I can fix that no problem at all. Always add hand lotion to make a slime stretchier, or if it's really stiff you can always add a bit more liquid hand soap. So this slime looks amazingly glossy. Look at that, it's really shiny, really nice. Love the colour. So the idea is to mix this one with the pink one to make a marbled stick of rock. So I'll loosen this one up first and then I'll mix it with the pink slime. So onto the pink one, and this looks really nice. It's got really pretty glitters running through it, and this one feels quite good. It feels a bit looser than the turquoise slime. It's got a nice poke to it. That's really pretty, and again it's really glossy. And this one's much stretchier and looser. And look at that. Really nice flecks of what looks like crumbled up sticks of rock. It's really, really effective. And again, there's no scent to this, but it does smell of a nice soap. So I think it's about ready to mix the two now, so let's see how this turns out. Oh, that's really pretty. Just look at those colours blending together and those little flecks of glitter. That's really pretty. So on to the last slime, which is called By the Sea clear based blue slime, and this looks really good, and I seem to remember Leela included one of these clear slimes of hers in a slime swap we did, and look at that, it's not sticky at all and it's a really nice colour, makes you think of rock pools and shallow water. It's a really good slime. Leela, you're really good at clear slimes, I've got to say. Again, there's no scent to these, so I'm just wondering if you'd think about using scents, Leela, in future, but I know it does interfere with clear slime, sometimes it can make it cloudy, but if you're adding a colour it doesn't matter. So look at that, that's a really nice combination of the white against the blue, and it's really clicky. So very good slime, I'm super happy with this one, so thank you so much, Leela. Wow, so stretchy. I love the bubbles in it as well. Makes you think of swimming. Well, I think it has to be said, out of all the slimes, this one is my favourite. I just love it. So Leela and I both said that we would put these summer slime packages on our shops, and you'll find them listed there. So do go check it out. Don't forget slimescrewball.etsy.com, and I'll leave Leela's shop link below. So that is it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next one. Bye!